Hello traders, hello investors. So Apple is going up 2.56% today. It seems like we are trying to recover from last week's drop, and so far so good. We are bouncing back up nicely. However, is this a dead cat bounce, or will Apple truly reverse the trend from here? We'll see in this video. Welcome to the Finance Hydra channel, by the way. My name is Nathan. Very nice to meet you guys. Let's see what's the best regarding price action and technical analysis on Apple. Remember to click on the like button to support this channel and subscribe because I'm gonna keep you guys updated every single day on many stocks, including Apple, AMD, Tesla, NIO, and much more. I think you guys are going to appreciate our content. Now, back to Apple. Yes, it is doing a very good bullish movement right now. We are recovering from last week's drop, and it is very nice to see Apple uh, doing this movement over here. Yesterday, it did a classic, very classic candlestick pattern, call it bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. In addition to this, it closed above 141.92. Why is this key point so important, Nathan? Because this point was July 13th support level. And the Tesla, I'm so sorry. I just recorded a video on Tesla. So if I say Tesla, I mean Apple, all right? So Apple lost this support level momentarily, but yesterday it closed above it. So it is giving us the impression of a false breakout and a potential bear trap. And when we see this, usually we see some squeeze, and right now Apple is ready to bounce back up to the 148, at least in my humble opinion. I did warn you guys about this movement yesterday on my newsletter. It is very important for you guys to subscribe to my newsletter. Come on, trade with me, trade with us. Our community is growing nicely, and we are nailing so many incredible trades recently. I mean, yesterday I recommended a stock that is going up 17% today. So it is crazy, right? There are many stocks that are going up more than 10%. I think you guys are going to appreciate what I have to offer. Join us, subscribe to my newsletter. My personal portfolio has a public track record, by the way. So I think you guys are going to appreciate our content. So this movement on Apple was already expected. Right now, to me, we are bouncing back up to the next resistance. The first one is 148, as I already mentioned it. The second one is the 21 EMA. Honestly, I believe we're gonna hit the EMA because this is what Apple has been doing, right? It is retesting the 21 exponential moving average and then it drops. So I do expect we're gonna hit the EMA and then we'll see. If this is a dead cat bounce, we will probably see a very strong bearish structure near the EMA. Then it is going to confirm the bearish sentiment, and Apple will probably drop to lower levels, try to retest the $133 down here. This is a real possibility. So right now, as far as we can tell, Apple is just bouncing back up. Now, so are you saying that Apple is not truly doing any meaningful bullish reversal structure right now? Yes, right now there is not a single meaningful bullish reversal structure in the midterm, at least. Short term speaking, we had this bullish engulfing, so yes, I am expecting a bounce back up to the EMA. But guys, if we want to see a real bullish reversal, we gotta see this, right? Higher highs, higher lows. This is what Apple needs to do in order to do a fantastic, truly meaningful bullish reversal in the midterm. If this happens, I believe Apple is going to fill this gap, 171. This is what I believe is going to happen if Apple reverses the midterm sentiment. Long-term speaking, Apple is still relatively bullish, right? I mean, right now we are reacting just above a crystal clear support level in the weekly chart. This candlestick pattern has a name as well. It's called piercing line candlestick pattern. Okay, today is Tuesday, right? So we still have a lot to go. But if Apple closes like this in the weekly chart, it is going to be a very powerful bullish evidence that Apple will truly reverse in the midterm as well, in my humble opinion. So we gotta keep our eyes open at this resistance. And I'm so sorry, this support level, which by the way, I warned you guys on my newsletter as well, right? So seriously, subscribe to my newsletter. And right now, we are bouncing back up. Most likely, in my humble opinion, I think, and again, I am just a retail trader, guys. I'm not smarter than anyone over here. In my humble opinion, Apple will find a resistance at the EMA, and then I believe we will see probably probably a short-term pullback as well, because this is what Apple needs to do in order to reverse higher high, higher low. And only by breaking the EMA, I think we'll see a stronger, meaningful bullish evidence to sustain a bullish thesis on Apple for the midterm. All right, so we'll see. Let's keep our eyes open at this resistance, at this 21 EMA, at the support level in the weekly chart. I think all of these signs are pointing to a very good movement afterwards on Apple, but the situation is still a little bit delicate. We gotta wait for more information before assuming it is a true, meaningful bullish reversal sign, alright? Still, I think Apple is bullish right now. I will keep you guys updated every single day on many stocks on this channel. So if you are still watching this video, I think it is about time for you to subscribe to this channel, right? I mean, why would you still be watching if you are not my subscriber? Subscribe to this channel, my friend. Thank you very much for your audience. Stay safe. Farewell.